What's up, YouTube, man? How y'all boy doing this Sunday? Man, I need a haircut for sure. But that beside the point. Shit, I'm gonna show y'all my chart, and then I'm gonna show y'all my account stats so y'all can know everything real. I'm gonna talk about risk reward, and I'm gonna show y'all my trades. Yeah, man, let's get to the video. I don't wanna make this video too long. So y'all, let's get to the video. I'm finna flip the camera around on my account so y'all can know this shit is real. This shit is real, bro. I'm a real deal trader. Yeah, win rate 67%. I really fucked up my win rate Friday. But yeah, up 1,200 on the account. I only been trading this account for a week, so I made 1,200 in a week. Hey, I'm satisfied with that. Especially trading, 30 minutes a day. Hey, I'm cool with that. I'm not being greedy. You feel me? Then I'm gonna go down here, show y'all my trades right quick. Like, bro, y'all see all them green, bro. Green, 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 green. And I haven't traded these days, as you can see. But yeah, that shit real. Now I'm gonna show y'all my trading view chart and stuff like that. But yeah, go to trading view. Go to trading view. Okay, I'm gonna do the replay button for y'all, but as y'all can see, these the 3 trades that I took. And I'm gonna go over them with y'all. These the 3 trades that I took Friday. And I took 2 L's, 1 win, but that 1 win made back both of my losses, plus a little extra on top. That 1 win made both of my losses back, plus a little extra on top. Let me show y'all real quick. Let me go to the account. Go to the account. I made 70 bucks. I made 70 bucks. I took 2 losses, 1 win, and still made 70 bucks. I'll take that over blowing my account any day. I'll take that over losing 400 any day. So, yeah. Now I'm gonna show y'all the replay. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm looking at. See, I got one of my indicators hid so y'all can see the charts. But if I show y'all, see, it showed me like 9 a.m. and shit. But yeah, let me take that back off so y'all can see clearly. And see, I entered this trade a little too early because I thought once it passed this, I thought it was gonna give me a retracement back up at least, but it didn't. And then this trade, when it retraced from here to halfway, I thought it was gonna give me a retracement from the middle line back down to here, or come past here and hit this gap and then go for the full reversal, as you see. But it didn't do that, and then I got in this trade. I rushed it. I rushed this trade, I'm not gonna lie. But I think it was another fair value gap right here. I gotta show y'all through the replay. But I think it was another fair value gap right here, and that's why I got in it, rushed it. But this right here, I knew it was gonna turn around right here for sure, cause this is strong. This is strong fair value gap, and it close to the outside of the Bollinger Band. So I knew it was gonna be, you know what I'm saying? I knew it was gonna be fire. I knew it was gonna be a banger. Now I'm gonna show y'all the bar replay. Show y'all. Yeah, see, it was a fair value gap right there on that trade. What I rushed, I really ain't rushed it. This just was the wrong fair value gap trade off of. See, you want to find the fair value gaps that you believe the market gonna have a reaction off of. Now, I didn't want to miss the trade, so that's why I took this, because it could have rejected from here, as you can see. So this why I took this trade, but it was too early and it came down to here. But I knew once it came down to here, I knew it was gonna reverse. 9 times out of 10. Now on the trending day, it could have came down to here, but I knew it was gonna reverse on this. So let me show y'all right quick. Show y'all the replay. See, and see, like I watch a lot of Andre Diaz. See, that's why I want to go over the risk and reward for y'all, because by me watching Andre Diaz, I tried to hold my trade. This wasn't Friday, it was like Thursday or Wednesday. I tried to hold my trade. I was up 270 on my first trade of the day, but just because I wanted to make 300, bro, what just happened? Just because I wanted to make 300, right? I was up 275, but just because I wanted to make 300, I let go all my profit and closed the trade with $100, and I wasn't satisfied with that, because y'all know I try to make 300 through 500 a day, so 300 through 400. So I wasn't satisfied. Then I got in the second trade and I lost. Then I got in the third trade and made it back. But I could have just walked away with my 275 instead of trying to make an extra $30. It wasn't worth it. But y'all know I go by, if y'all watch my old video, I go by like, you see profit, take profit. And like a person told me in the comment, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So yeah, all that trying to hold trades for the longest, I'm not doing that no more. Like just to make an extra $30 so I can be at 300, or just to make an extra $50 so I could be at 320. Nah, I'm not doing that no more. Cause before I started using the indicators, I was basically trading price action. So once I see it retracing, I don't like drawdown. So once I see it retracing, I just go ahead and close with my profit. Cause as y'all know, if y'all watch my old video, man, my entry be sniper entry, no cap. No cap. Let me see if I can fast forward a little bit. Let's see if I can fast forward. As y'all can see, it's all the way up here. I was supposed to talk this trade, but I missed it. Outside the Bollinger Band, hold on, let me pause it right quick. Outside the Bollinger Band, into a fair value gap, them like my A+ trade setup. Outside the Bollinger Band, into the fair value gap, like this. It came outside the Bollinger Band. Yeah, it wicked past, but it closed inside the fair value gap. So once I seen it close inside the fair value gap and this counter went up, and once this counter came back down, I would have entered right here. Boom. But it wasn't 9:30 yet, I don't believe, or I just missed the trade. So yeah, that's how that went. Now let me show y'all. Let me show y'all the net trade. See, can I speed it up? Now y'all see how I rejecting out the fair value gap, bro. This shit is real. Like, look at this. Rejection. Rejection. Rejection right from the middle. This right here would have been a winning trade. If I would have entered right here, I could have entered on this one, or this one. It still would have been a winning trade. But since I already lost one trade, I was trying to make sure that my net trade bill win, because I didn't want to take 2 losses in a row. So I really would wait for it to come outside the Bollinger Band into a fair value gap. And it did that, but you see, was a better position. But I didn't want to miss the trade, because I knew once it hit this fair value gap or this fair value gap, I knew it was coming up here. So I didn't want to miss the trade. So I entered early on this one. But I'm only risking 10 points, so $200. So, you know, it wasn't a big deal that I entered early, because I'm used to catching 15 points, 20 points. But yeah, as I can see, that would have happened. It hit my stop loss. Right here, it went straight down and hit my stop loss. And then it hit this fair value gap. And I seen this little wick right here outside the Bollinger Band. I already knew what was finna happen. So I entered. On this next counter, that's where I entered at. Hold on. The next counter. Yeah, right there. I entered right down the next counter when I seen it respecting the zone. Now I had my TP up here, but like I said, like the other day, I let all my profit went back. So I wasn't finna do that shit again. You feel me? So I closed it right here. Once I seen it rejecting a little bit, I closed about right here. Once I seen that little rejection, I closed it right there for 450 profit. And that made back both of them losses. That made back both of my losses plus $70 profit. That's how I ended the day with $70 profit. That's why it's good to like have a set risk. Like you don't want to be risking 200 and risking 300 and risking 500 and risking 600. You want to have a set risk. Cause like I know on every trade, I'm willing to lose $200. I know on every trade that I take, I could potentially lose $200, but that's the max. But on every trade, I could win 200, I could win 300, I could win 400, I could win 500. But I know my max loss is 200. And that's how I've been profitable. See, I watch a lot of Andre Diaz, and you know he don't take one-on-ones. He only take 1 or 2, and it don't matter if it don't hit 1 or 2. He could risk 1,000 and be up 1,500. If it don't hit that 2,000 mark, he is not gonna close that trade. He gonna let all that profit go back to break even. See, and he's a profitable trader, and that worked for him. But yeah, I don't think that really worked for me. So that's why I'm letting y'all know, so y'all can, you know, test out both ways. But yeah, when I see profit, I take it. But as y'all can see, the trade went crazy. They could have been a $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 trade if I would have just moved my stop loss to break even. But I'm on a prop account, and I didn't want to lose my consistency anyway, because y'all know I'm trying to get a payout next week, so I didn't want to break my consistency of 20%. So I wasn't aiming for that high anyway. But for y'all that trading live account, and for y'all that don't have a 20% consistency rule prop firm, yeah, y'all could have moved y'all stop loss to break even. Like right here when y'all seen that wick, y'all could have moved y'all stop loss to break even. And then yeah, y'all could have held this trade till this fair value gap. I used the fair value gap to enter trade and exit trade also. But since I was already up at my profit, I didn't need the whole lot over here. That just being greedy. But you know, some of y'all want to make 1,000 a day. Some of y'all want to make 800 a day. So maybe it's better for y'all to hold out there. But as y'all can see, I would have been taking some drawdown, and I don't like drawdown. But y'all can see what happened. It shot up, went crazy. Went crazy. It went crazy. Then it went to this fair value gap outside, and you see what it did. It went down. Let's see what it did after this. Let's just see. Bam. Now y'all seen it for y'allself. Right here, it hit the fair value gap, went down. This one right here, it came up. Once this second wick happened and closed, and this kind of started to go down, you could have entered right here. That would have been my profit, because I aimed for 10 to 20 points. That would have been my profit. Sometimes I make 25 points or a little more, but I aim for 10 to 20 points. But yeah, this video 15 minutes long. I don't want to make the video too long, so that's all I got for this video, y'all, man. Y'all boy, take it easy. Thank y'all for the support. I love y'all, boy, for real. We gonna grind together and we gonna shine together. 100.